Good morning and welcome to Kern Living. I'm your host, Ryan Nelson, and happy Tuesday. On today's episode, we're taking a trip to Kern County's newest high school. Now, this isn't any ordinary school, and I'll show you why. Let's check it out.
Hello, my name is Chris Dutton, and I'm the Assistant Principal of Instruction for the Del Oro High School. We opened in August, so we've been open since August of 2022. We have about 877 students. We provide services to freshmen and sophomore students only, so we're making history this year. One of the major features is it's a new concept. This layout has not existed previously in the Kern High School District, and we also have no bells, and we're on a block schedule. So our students basically are going to college. The school is laid out like a junior college. Staff and students rotate just like they would at a junior college. We are a college prep curriculum with dual enrollment and CTE course offerings. And so the hope is that when our students graduate, there will be no fear or trepidation about moving on to college because they've already been in college for 4 years. All of you 8th graders out at Mountain View, McKee, Greenfield, and Sequoia, we're waiting for you.
So my experience has been great. So many doors have been open for me. It's incredible. I think, am I the only freshman sitting here right now? Yeah, see, that is something that you don't see every day. I've been to so many events that I'm usually the youngest one there. They're like, oh my God, you're a freshman. I'm like, yeah, I'm a freshman. And the reason I'm able to do so is because of all the doors that have been open to me because of Del Oro. So I've had an amazing experience.
So I'm Vanessa again. I'm a cheerleader here, and I'm an ASB student. I'm an FFA. I do a lot here. I'm very involved, and the only reason is because of Del Oro. I would think so. And the administration here is so great. Like, compared to my old school, I'm not going to throw any shade or say any names, but I was not really paid attention to. I was just like every other student. But here I'm seen as one individual, and it's been great.
Hi, my name is Ashley. I've had a really great experience here. All the staff members are very, very kind, and they're all really supportive of everyone.
Whenever they chose the staff for the school, I feel like they did a very good job. I feel like every staff that I go to always gives me the support that I need, and I feel that we definitely have a good upcoming. The best thing I've done so far is get involved, so I encourage every incoming freshman to get involved and just make friends and associate yourself with the right people.
Keep up with your work and don't slack because it's gonna come back and bite you.
I would advise an incoming freshman to be nice to your teachers. Even if school's boring, don't take your anger out on your teachers. Teachers are people too. And yeah, don't slack on your work. Attendance is really important. And just have fun, make friends, be involved.
I was really scared at first because not only was I a freshman, but I was a new generation at a new school that so far we're barely creating our culture and our standards, and we're creating something new. And so new is always hard, but it's not impossible, and it could become a beautiful thing. And I think Del Oro has become such a beautiful place to be. And so to the freshmen that are coming here, oh my gosh, get involved. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to ask questions to any of the staff. All the staff are so supportive. All the staff here, props to them. Working here is such a brave move because, well, coming from different schools, it's a big change. Just our block schedule, our routine, the students, it's different. But for freshmen coming, just don't be scared and get involved because high school years are the years that you're never gonna get back. And so just make the best of it, definitely, and keep up with your work.
And don't act like you're too cool for school.
Yeah.
Absolutely impressed. They took over the entire show, so I didn't have to do anything. Great students here at Del Oro. Now, if the people at home want to stay in contact with what you all are doing, how can they do that?
Yes, make sure you follow Del Oro ASB. You can also just search up Del Oro High, and you'll see a bunch of our Instagram pages. We have Del Oro Athletics, Del Oro Clubs, and a bunch of other things. So yeah, stay tuned. We have a lot going on, and we're excited to what's yet to come.
And in addition to that, make sure you stay connected with us on all social media platforms at Kern Living on Facebook and Instagram, and myself at Ryan Nelson 23. We're gonna go walk around campus one more time.
Yes.
And I'll see you next time.